In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your website using Hostinger's hPanel. Now, backing up your website is an essential task that ensures all your content is safe and easily restorable in case anything goes wrong. So, let's get started and walk through the process together, step by step. First, we'll begin by logging into Hostinger's hPanel. To do this, open your preferred web browser and go to Hostinger's website, which you can find at https://hostinger.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have a Hostinger account or you're having trouble logging in, make sure you reach out to their customer support for assistance. After logging in, navigate to the website section within hPanel. This is essentially your dashboard, where you see all the domains you own or manage. Locate your domain name and click on the WP Admin button if it's necessary. This will take you directly to your WordPress admin panel, where you can manage your website in detail. Now, with access to hPanel, let's find our way to the backup tool. Sometimes, exploring a new user interface could feel like a maze, but don't worry, it's actually quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. While in hPanel, either scroll down or make use of the handy search bar at the top to find the Backups option. You'll see it's located under the Files section. Clicking on Backups will bring you to a page where all your backup options reside. With the backup page open, we're now ready to create a new backup of your website. On this page, you'll notice a tab labeled Generate New Backup. That's exactly what we're here for, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've selected that tab, you'll see something like a button or an option saying Create Backup. Click it to initiate the backup process. This step is crucial as it creates a snapshot of your website in its current state. The process itself usually takes just a few minutes, but it may vary depending on the size of your site and server response times. As you wait for the backup to complete, it's a good idea to take note that once it's ready, it will appear shortly in the Available Backups section. Having these backups can be a lifesaver, making it easy for you to restore your website to this precise point if needed, saving you from potential data loss and downtime. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to ensure your website's safety with regular backups using Hostinger's hPanel. Remember to perform this task regularly to keep your backups current and your data protected. Thanks for joining me today, and happy website managing.